challenging times. Kaya ito yung Church ni Timothy. Not only for us, no, professionals, not only for pastors, no, not only for teachers, but for all of us. Amen? For all of us. If there is a call of duty, kunyari may call of duty, no? Then feeling mo, wala na akong pakialam dyan. I have my own. Pero there's a call of duty. Very clear. God is putting you in that situation and there's a call of duty. No? That is out of season. No? To continue my story, doon po sa fourth floor, second floor. We are in room 216 in front of nursing station. Yes. All people there are celebrating. And every time I go out, no, na umiiyak talagang tuwalya na nga yung hawak niya Nurses are crying, no? Umiiyak yung mga nurse. No? Umiiyak. Malungkot sila para sa akin, no? They keep on crying, no? And there are 7 nurses. And then gumanito ako doon sa counter. And then nagtatry silang these nurses actually, because they know that Janet is IVF nurse. Kaya po yung nung surgery niya, ang dami. Sabi ko, ang dami naman ng mga to. Ang dami. Naririnig daw niya, she's IVF nurse. So maingat na maingat sila, no? And then these nurses, no, nung makita nila ako, nung dumating, tinawagan ako ng doctor called me, I was in DHCC kasi kala ko okay na no? Sabi ng doctor, let's start the surgery at before 9. Don't worry, it will take 30 minutes only. No? So before 9. So, very kampante, Lord. Alam mo naman, Lord, you know everything. So ikaw nang bahala, Lord. So nakal na ako and then pinush ko na siya. Dinala ko na and then kinuha na ng nurse and then alis na ako. Kailangan ko kumuha ng gamit. So I went home, take all the things. Then after that, going to the SCC. Pero naghihintay pa rin ng call. Sabi kasi ng doktor, 30 minutes lang. If I will call you if there's something. Pero it's a minor surgery. Okay. Pero may anesthesia dito raw sa spine. So very relaxed. Went out. And then 9:30, no call. Walang call, Lord. Thank you. Mukhang okay na. 10 o'clock, no call. I reached to the HCC. Kasi yung doktor niya doon wants me to get something on top, parang medicine on top of the medicine from Suleika. So I went there, nagpark ako, pupunta ako sa lift, and trying to press the elevator going to their clinic. 10:30. Mag-11 na halos. And there is a call from Suleika. And I answered the call. This is it, Lord. While I'm hearing, habang naririnig ko yung sinasabi ng doktor, I'm sorry to tell you, but this, Lord, eto na, ang kinatatakutan ko. So, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, kung ako ba ay sasabog, ako ay mawawala na lang bigla, or I don't know, hindi ako makapag-react. Pinahinto ko siya, please, doctor, please, stop. I want to know the situation of my wife. Kumusta yung wife ko? She's fine. She's conscious. She's okay. Yes, that's what I want to hear. Doc, I'll talk to you later. Pinatay ko na. So, wala na. Hindi na ako pupunta doon. Hindi ko na kailangan yung kukunin ko. I don't need that medicine anymore. So, I go back to my car. Sit. I-start ko. Tapos, sabi ko, blanco po ako, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Hanggang sa sumigaw lang ako ng sumigaw, I scream, shout a lot. Talagang muntik na siguro mag-crack yung salamin ng sumisigaw ako ng malakas. Sabi ko, Lord, necessary ba to? Kailangan ba to? Do we need this, Lord? Hanggang sa tinawagan ko yung nanay ko. I called my mom, doon po sa may mga magulang pa I appreciate yung parents kasi once I hear the voice of ng inay ko, parang 50% na wala agad. 50%. And then the first word comes from my mom's mouth is, nakinig siya, and then sabi niya, wala tayong reason, no, para mag-complain kay Lord. Because He is perfect, sabi niya. Perfecto ang Panginoon. Wala tayong reason para mag-complain sa Kanya. Nandito kami, tanggapin natin to, no? Pagsubok ito ng Panginoon. This is trial. This is test of God, no? So, medyo kumalma na ako hanggang siya sa kinumpos ko ulit sarili ko. And then I drive going to her. Pero doon ako dumiretso doon sa I go straight to the OR, no? And I met the doctor because she keep on calling me because I need to sign many things. No? And then sabi niya, your wife is there. Sabi ko, I want to see my child. My child. Sabi niya, I suggest, wag na. Para hindi mo siya makita sa ganong state. Sabi ko, no. He's my child. No, he's my son. Alam natin ang gender. I want to see him. No? And then, so pinrepare nila, pinakita sa akin. No? Ito na, sa baby boy. Pero there's a relief, no, from my side because masaya yung itsura niya. Masaya. And then, heading to sa kanya na, pagkita ko sa kanya, pagtanaw ko, sinuot ko na lahat ng mga isusuot. And then, tulalars eh. Talaga nakatingin siyang ganyan lang, tulala. Sabi ko, wag naman Lord. And then, nung magkita na kami, yun na, i-start na ng bursting out, and so on and so forth. So, in the